In this video we're taking an honest look at Amplenote, a note-taking and task management app that blends structured writing with powerful to-do features. Amplenote stands out for its unique approach to organizing thoughts and tasks. It offers a daily jot system for quick notes, rich footnotes for embedding media, and a task management system that uses the Eisenhower matrix to prioritize your to-dos. One of its standout features is the bidirectional linking, allowing users to create a web of interconnected notes, enhancing the depth and context of their information. The app also supports markdown editing, offline access, and synchronization across devices. However, Amplenote isn't without its drawbacks. Some users have reported a learning curve, especially for those accustomed to more traditional note-taking apps. The interface, while functional, might feel overwhelming for newcomers. Additionally, while the app offers a free version, advanced features like the native desktop app and certain integrations are gated behind paid plans. Despite these challenges, Amplenote has garnered praise for its thoughtful design and the depth it brings to personal knowledge management. If you're someone who values structure in your notes and seeks an integrated task management system, Amplenote might be worth exploring. Subscribe for more in-depth reviews to make informed decisions about the tools you use.